I missed my free Buda tour today. I ran out of data. I bought 5 gigabytes in Slovakia, which should have, I thought, way more than enough to get me through 2 weeks, but it wasn't. And just as I was about to get on the tram back to the station, my data ran out. Of course, I didn't know where to go because I've been using Google Maps to get everywhere. I just couldn't believe that I ran out of data, but I did. So I had to switch back to my Verizon SIM card, which is going to cost me $10 a day. But now I'm going to get back on the tram and know exactly where I'm going. So we're off to see something in Buda, but it's not going to be the tour. Oh well. 5 gigabytes in like 10 days, that's just crazy. I'm probably more of a data hog than I thought. From behind me, I've made it up to Castle Hill. Very, very beautiful up here. I won't be able to tell you much about everything because I don't know the history very well, but I'm going to show you around a little bit and show you some of the sights up here. It's quite a spectacular view, and I'll show you that too. No castle district in an ancient city would be complete without a Starbucks. Just like the medieval people drank. This has got to be one of the prettiest roofs I've ever seen. So that was our day on Castle Hill. I sort of feel a bit bad because I wanted to actually show you a lot more, but I just didn't know enough about everything I was seeing to be able to explain it to you, and it would have been really nice to get on that tour. That's what happens when you lose your data and can't get to the tour on time. All right.
Where are you from, sir?
I am from Canada, and I am in a tuk-tuk in Budapest.
Yeah.
Try to get you down to the Hungarian Parliament at night. My goodness, this is what the Hungarian Parliament looks like at night. I'm told that this is the 4th largest Parliament building in the world, one of the largest in Europe, so it's stunning at night. The way that... Hello, how are you?
Hi, are you vlogging?
I am.
And I just really wanted to be a part of your vlog.
What's your name?
Viborka. Hey guys!
My name is Michael.
Michael. Nice
Yes.
to meet you, Michael.
I'm down here to see this. This is beautiful.
Thank you so much.
It's so amazing.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I saw you vlogging the Parliament, and
Yeah.
it makes me so happy.
Did you help build it? Did you make it?
No. It's pretty old now.
It is really beautiful.
Yeah.
Well, thanks for being in my vlog.
Okay, and thank you for making me a part of it.
All right. Have a great night. You enjoyed this video on Budapest. If you like it, please give it a like. And if you want to see our videos, we really would love it if you'd subscribe. And if you do that, click on the notifications bell, and that'll give you notifications every time we post a new video. So long from Budapest.